Higher Diploma in Business Finance program offered by the Department of Finance, University of Kelaniya is more than just a qualification. It's the foundation for your future. Whether you are stepping into the industry or an academic career, this qualification helps you succeed.
A few years ago, I found myself at crossroads, unsure about where my future career was heading. But then I knew I had a passion in business finance. That's when I decided to enroll myself in Higher Diploma in Business Finance at University of Kelaniya.
In a time of having lot of educational options, what makes this program stands out is its credibility, structure, and the long-term value. Awarded by a reputed state university in Sri Lanka, this program ensures that you will get a high-quality education that aligns with both national and international standards.
Looking back, it was one of the best decisions I have ever made in my life. This diploma didn't just help me break myself into the field, but also it gave me the confidence, courage to grow.
Higher Diploma in Business Finance program is a 2-year program that mapped under SLQF Level 4 that balances academic and practical relevance.
One of the biggest benefits was how it prepared me for the real world. I remember we working on a group assignment related to security evaluation, and now I actually apply those into my day-to-day work.
We offer a blended learning format combining online lectures and on-site evaluation. Having weekend-based lectures make this program ideal for school leavers, professionals, and those who having lot of responsibilities.
I was able to gain all these benefits thanks to our excellent lecturer panel, and they are very helpful and available at any time when we need their help. I also able to build a good network of supportive peers and lecturers, while most of them are still touching with me up to today.
If you have at least 3 S passes from your local A-levels or minimum qualifying passes from the Cambridge and Edexcel A-levels, you can apply to this program. If you are looking to build a strong foundation in finance and open doors for academic and professional enhancement, this is your place.